Enabling or disabling student view of their left navigation. Starting from your home page in Canvas, down at the bottom left you'll see Settings. Click on Settings, and the top tabs you'll go to Navigation, and it's going to be as simple as dragging and dropping what you want them to see and what you don't want them to see. We definitely want to make sure they are in the top going to have Offline Tracker and GradeSync. If we take GradeSync and drag it down, your gradebook is not going to be syncing properly with PowerSchool, so we want to make sure that stays up here. Be sure the students are not going to see that on their end, but it does need to stay up at the top for us. Offline Tracker also needs to stay bold for them or not grayed out, so we have to keep that on top. Some things that we might want to put to the bottom would be a resource that our students, depending on the grade level, may not have access to, so it would be confusing for them to click on it and not be able to go to it. So Newsela would be one for elementary that we would want to drag and drop to the bottom. And I actually have that already here dragged, but say I want to put it back, I just drag it back up and then they would be able to see it. And then I would hit save. Again, if I don't want them to see it, it's going to be grayed out for me, but they won't have it at all. I'll drag it to the bottom and I'll hit save. So if you've gone through your left navigation and you've noticed you need to bring some things back, it's very simple. By just going into Settings again, at the bottom of the left navigation, choosing the tab Navigation at the top, and then dragging and dropping from the top to the bottom. And it will be very clear that these are the disabled resources from the left navigation. So you'd have to bring them back up if they're disabled and you no longer want them to be, or vice versa.